Kwan ya faswa ye be wieska. Kwan ya chobo beba. Kwan ya obi be didi. Kwan ya obi be nya money angwa di nkwa na ye de. I see your new vision. We want to revitalize Commander Sugar Factory. Yo. And on mama iska 32 million American dollars. Muntie ni 32 million American dollars. Mr. Muhammad ekoji. So I'm the Commander Sugar Factory. Ebeba. Sugar Factory. Ebeba. 2016. Yeah, koto abenti. Yeah, wo and on mobile tena sempa kache philosopher kwache. And Dr. Marebuama or Manebuama. I bet now Hobekachire and say, Commander Sugar Factory is working. Now ye be no nancing. Ampa. And my Ghana for ye need ye. Hey, they said the Ghana, yes, the Sugar Factory. They said the Ghana Sugar Factory about. And ye na anybody, yes, say Sugar Factory was coming to Commander. The youth of Commander. Who are today saying fake some of my men to no my pampas, so I bought down for my margin in Yajuma. Kwasi ampeni yo jina we and the wooden that is out the demonstration, no, or no, never that Ghana for say I Commander Sugar Factory. Now, Commander Sugar Factory, no, question I mean, this sound say, get to me, yeah, and I can crawl for way, and I'm not going to be near Juma, yeah, and to buy now, woman, you can't tell me, and can have more people. Because imagine you join them, John Mubufu. Me say in 7 years, share the condom bill. You're born raw. Who banana no de ma one was a day to clear be 2-3 minutes with a baneko. No one can say nafi education is what was so. Me say the youth of Commander. Mo sorry ahun. E sanka one day. Mo stage demo. Nanka mo come check Captain Smart fie. Mo check Dramani Mahama fie. Mo check Trade Minister fie. Mo check Sanko Finance Minister no. Atu fancy mo check mo fie. Nanka mo di jakotu tum. Because they are the fools who misled you, say, ya be your employment, ya mamu, and them on say, you want to fix the country. Eh? And I said, Jimmy Fuaway, Kwasi Ampeni papa your that way. On throne ya me or that way. Bronsam bay or that way. And the back catching a Ghana phone and I say, Ghana way. Commander Sugar Factory is operational. Na sit no, and the crammy I may say binumi. Now, me beside just a critical question for an answer for why I need Jimmy for a while. And answer for me be so more. Why your factory and eh? Why your factory? I a test run. Okay? I feel time was so say, no beer will say the like the factory is duly commissioned and ready for production. Eh? Now I say, will be a day I will be a Jumano. And number 6 do ya will do then now say, oh, we are closed down for maintenance. What to be that? Factory for fro. Yeah, Juma one day now, you're closed for maintenance. Ghana for anymore. Sana Sikana papa we ni NDC for kwaji ya say the be Commander Sugar Factory ya fan ko yo. Ya compare that oil. Ya kwaboso kai. Almost ma Donkano ni TPP for no. And almost ma and I'm de lawyer abafu no fra say omo nkoto ayi and lawyer abafu bebu me don kan no lawyer abafu no and quiz media no and yes no omo say omo nko kantamanto and aboso kai no omo nkoje adwongo and dirty oil ye o ni na mbra ne efema twetwe afidie ne se nkroma afidie na esi wa na abubu no ya kodis ka say ye be ye brand new factory no and ye call sabi aboso kai Eko kantamanto koto kubanwa ene ye de baaye ene ye de be say machines that dan chroma time that no ye de be say ne se de gin 32 million American dollars. 32 million American dollars was what it cost us. But yet we couldn't get a factory out of it. They took money for plantation of sugar cane. The other day, Honorable Kennedy Japan was stating it, say, or no crap on the partner be your margin, say, I come quiet day, Omu could be actually any be. Commander for down for way I and then SLK got the two. A sit trainer, bro, some way better now, say, a year, Juma, factory ni ya kama ya bo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abasono. Adia Chinya. Yes, we are shut down for maintenance. Yes, shut it down for maintenance. Commander Sugar Factory, I'm baby back. It's not this for say I beg on buying the card. So Commander Sugar Factory now and Crawford way and Bronsami or Dabby page you see. Every dada yang every day 32 million no and then me no kasa who call just what unya ba kupo sa kromfo we ya kromfo excavator kromfo we ebe gina me page so Akufo-Addo Galamsey that the refuse on Nankana so the excavators need the man high for Galamsey. Now wait, it's your freedom fighter. This is a hero. This is a hero. This is a hero. A man on his own program said the debt to GDP on what calculating here. Who said Mahama increased it by 14%. Akufo-Addo right now per the figures available, no, it's only 5% increase. 5% increase. Now say a World Bank for buy your money every year. Obi go no 5% increase. That's all. 5% increase. Now Obi increasing the 14. Nesan say NDC for bon. No, 47. Aya bigger than 51 inti. Omutumi ko gina East office. Edin kwasi asem 47. Yay, Mahama afa. Jimmy for no we refuse na Akufo-Addo enya 51%. Enya me fault. Enya almost some fault. Eya kwasi ampafu bi say. This stupid man has caused Ghanaians 12 of the biggest projects that could have transformed the youth's life. Sadly, me hano yetumi wie ya. Sabi, anko fa a made servant for mo be prepare on mo a mo be on be do. Enya employment na bia. And yet, o me tiskano. Akoko bi botom. Uchi na ha support to sa up down for we. Wadwene adwuma. Papa we, na last one am wie na makokwase bi so. I say, one more got ambulance. Yeah, did this guy with Europe pay their ambulance? My question you. More mutual to Scanama Captain Smart to Europe now, me patch ambulance or the back of hello? Ambulance now, bro, some bay for way, but down for way, Kwasia Biba way, Captain Smart way, Jimmy Nee Smart way, Kwasia be saying no. Ambulance no beji musika. So what they got on me patch or the hot time crab them. And ne come de no kwakutia pamono kwasi twuma pamono ne ho papa no ofoso ampofo na beje no enti wakogina ho ton kwase anom asif say we don't know him na ende wa wo show demonstration ni bia dia me di kuni ni papa we kofa snap mienu Bombay and wogina ho and what they are then go di buru nua ne ade na dia meka ne number 1. The first person I said you are born beka Captain Smart. Unimientia cause for your kromfo. Wadaga Ghana for ama ya share 32 million American dollars. Enti say so will be facing the wrath of ya nananom a. Nananom we ya dane Captain Smart the mamo. Mama na bra bonya basa te say the aye na. Mama ne home papa and one says a t-shirt ye kon aba ba te say the aye na.